Okay guys, in the last video I showed you how to set up the Binance Smart Chain. In this I'm going to be showing you how to import the SWIT token. So the SWIT token is the official token of Swapit, and that's going to be dropping, depending on when you see this, in the month of December or next week. And it's now the 8th of December. So if you're watching this video before then, make sure to add this specific address to your token, to your wallet, so that you receive those tokens. So it's really simple. You go to this resource swit.buzz, you scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and you need to copy this address. So I'm going to copy this address. I'm just going to copy it like this, highlight it and copy it. And then you go back to your wallet and you click on this area that says import tokens. Okay. So now what you'll need to do is go over here, token contract address, and paste that in. And you see there it automatically identifies the token SWIT 9. And then what I need to do is click on add custom token and then click on import tokens. And there you see there SWIT has now been added. And then I go back and now you see I have also SWIT added to the address. What you're going to have to also do is, assuming that you've already played your card, is you're going to have to also copy this address into the back office. So let me just quickly log into a demo account that I've just created, so I can show you where to paste that address in. So specifically in your back office, what you need to do is you need to come here and click on my profile on the left. And then what this does, it opens this up, and then you need to come over here and you need to click the this thing over here that says BSC wallet. So I'm going to click on that. Then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come back to the MetaMask and I'm going to copy that address like that. I just click on these two, come over here, paste, save changes, and you're done. What you're also going to be needing, if you purchase any other tokens that are ERC20 based, you need to add them to this ETH wallet. So just click on ETH wallet and then change the network to Ethereum mainnet. So this is basically the same address, but it's always nice to be double sure. Just click, copy to clipboard, come back, paste, save changes. Okay, so you're good to go. After a couple of seconds, you now see that that address has also been saved. If you notice, these two addresses are the same. But what you could do is that if you're running, let's say, a Trust wallet, you could add the ETH wallet address over there, like how I've showed you. So if you now go back to my profile, and if you just go through here and look over here, you see on the ETH wallet, you have 1 of 1 and it's ticked. BSC wallet, 1 of 1 and it's also ticked. And this means you are now good to go once you've played your cards at Swapit. What I'm also going to be doing is below this video, or in the video itself, I'll include a link to how you can actually get started with Swapit. I'll definitely highly recommend that. And if you're not part of the team, there's a link in the video description. Click on that link. It will send you to our newsletter where I keep you guys up to date on what's happening with Swapit, and also give you some tips on how to earn money with Swapit. And also you'll be having an invitation link to join Swapit and to get started. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.